Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see a little bit more about our holistic beliefs in skincare and what we can do for you. Please know I answer everything here on YouTube. This is where I'll answer you. So many of you are asking me about your legs right now with summer coming, and I get it. My legs are really important to me no matter how old I get, because I do want the skin on my body to look as good as I can. Now, if you go back, you can look at some of the body scrubbing videos and how I body scrub and body wash and put oils on your skin before you get out of the shower. But I wanted to show you a leg treatment, if you will. Now, for those just tuning in, I'm 55 years old. I do nothing invasive. And so everything I do to my body, I like it to be very natural. One thing I will tell you about the body, I don't put acids on it, and I don't do acid peels on my body. I've actually seen people do microneedling. I don't do any of that because it can really disrupt your skin and your skin's barrier. We have natural fungus and bacteria always on our skin, good or bad. And in layman's terms, when we leave an opening for it, that is when we cause issues. And so I teach you how to do things holistically and naturally in a way that doesn't leave marks on your skin, doesn't change your skin or how you look, but gives you a result that will last forever. Just like losing weight the correct way, you can really maintain it and keep it off. Now, I still get dry legs sometimes, especially my lower leg, and you'll kind of get those little, I was hoping my leg would look really bad today, so we'll cut to it in a minute. But it'll look like those little white lines. It just looks like this little crisscross on your leg when you're really dehydrated. And obviously you want to drink water, and I still do believe to body scrub in the shower with a body brush using your body wash, and then I like to follow that with a sugar scrub. And then right before I get out of the shower, I put oil on my body, and then I dry off. And if I ever forget to do that, I put oil on my body right when I get out. They say you just have seconds to really lock in that moisture. But again, this is more of a leg treatment. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the leg. So guys, we're moving, and this was really the only spot we could really do this leg video. So I'm doing it on my table. Apparently I have a really good form here, but so what I typically do in the shower is I shave every day. Always shave your legs. Always keep everything nice and clean. I even shave my toes, but I don't want Kent to show you my toes because my nails need a pedicure. But I even shave the hair on my toes. Make it look clean. Now, everything I'm doing here, you can do to your upper body as well. And remember, this is on clean skin. So I'm going to just wet it, and then we're going to put a mask on. So imagine that you've already body brushed, you've already put a body sugar on, and this is a treatment you want to do. Now, I'm going to use Miracle Mask because it's a pumpkin and papaya enzyme. And again, you can do this to your whole leg. I'm just going to show you on my lower leg so that we can kind of show you a before and after. You can get up to your knee. Pumpkin and papaya is an incredible enzyme, and it acts like little Pac-Man and almost eats away at the skin naturally. I wouldn't use anything stronger because I don't want my skin to protect itself by callousing like the heels of your feet or your elbows or your knees. So we're gonna leave this on for a little bit, and we'll be right back. So I've left my fruit enzyme mask on. And again, this is Peach's Miracle Mask. Pumpkin, papaya, go-to cola. It's a very hydrating, very healing mask. But I also want it to remove any extra dead, dry skin. And yes, exfoliating is wonderful, but new skin is always pushing up and old skin's pushing up every day. You'll just rinse it off. And again, I'm doing my lower leg, but you can do this on your whole leg. And I know this is awkward and funny, but I hope you're getting it. Just get it all off like so. Okay, and you can already see the textures better. I'll show you my other leg next to it in just a minute. A wonderful, wonderful hydrator is either olive oil, and you can just put olive oil on your skin or any olive oil that you love, because really all we want to do at this point is really get it hydrated. I also love Classic Moisturizer, Peaches Classic Moisturizer. It's why we sell it in a 16-ounce container, because people love to put it on their bodies and their skin. So this is Peaches right here. Now the oil's definitely not rubbed in, so we'll rub that in a bit. And I'll obviously go all the way around your ankle, all the way around your knees, all the way up to your thighs. And another wonderful hydrator and lubricant is Vaseline. And Vaseline, you can put it on at any time. I like Vaseline brand petroleum jelly, and just put it on, and it really hydrates and heals the skin. So think of it as you have chapped lips on your legs, and that's how we're going to treat it. So guys, this would be the leg I didn't treat, and you can see how dehydrated I am. I tried not to exfoliate this morning in the shower. I tried not to add any moisture, but I do take good care of my skin, so I suppose it's not horrid. And then this is after the treatment on my other leg, and you see how easily that was done, just with a couple different products and things you can use at home. Again, not showing my toes, they need a pedicure, not showing my upper leg, but you can do the whole upper leg. And I hope that you can see the difference. Yeah, the oil's a little shiny, or the moisturizer's a little shiny, but hopefully you can see where the lines and the dryness and the old tissue, which you can see over here, is gone. Maybe I'll scratch a little bit so you can see it. So hopefully you got to see how I get my legs to stay soft. I do the same thing with my arms. I just like to keep them from being crepey by having any age spots. When I'm outside, I do put sunscreen on my face and neck, but I really do wear a sun shirt on my arms, and my lower legs I'll put a little sunscreen as well. I am darker, so my melanin and my melanocytes are a little closer to the skin, so that's why I get so brown just for a few seconds in the sun, but you know, I'm not out there worshiping the sun. The other thing too is a lot of people ask me about cellulite. You know, drink a lot of water and you will see cellulite get better. It doesn't really go away, and a lot of the products that are out there are filled with chemicals, and they really just give you a temporary fix. So I'm not a huge fan of them. I actually looked for this video if I could recommend anything. There really wasn't anything. But massage the area, get that blood flowing. Exercise. There are so many beautiful channels that I love to follow. Peaceful Potato Yoga, Rachel, Bend and Stretch with Sue. What is Rachel's channel? Rachel is a yoga instructor as well. And Rachel, forgive me if I didn't put your exact channel. Hopefully we can put, we'll put it in the links. We'll put it in the links. And Manon, she is a French teacher. There are so many beautiful teachers that have actual practical knowledge. It is their apps, it's their career, and they can help you to get in shape and really get your legs looking great for summer. So I hope this resonated with you. I know it was a little silly video showing the legs, but I know how we all want to look our best and feel our best, and I want to give you really holistic, natural approaches to that. So I hope you all stay beautiful naturally.